Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated July 26, 2023. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEPI, membership of BASIL, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in security markets are subject to market risks and read all the related documents carefully before investing. Without taking your much time, I'll start with Nifty 50's chart analysis. So as you can see, Nifty was kind in a volatile mode but closed in the positive zone yesterday. And this line, which is kind of smooth as you can see, is the 10 EMA, which is a very short term moving average. But when your markets are in a rally mode, this line is the one which kind of holds with major market indices hold them. And uh, in the recent time, when Nifty has able to reclaim all its major key moving averages such as your 21 DMA, 50 DMA, your 200 DMA as well, this line has Nifty has found good support at this line, but considering it to be a very short-term moving average, the 21 DMA, as you can see, can be the major support, and even the 21 DMA for Nifty at the moment is around 1.3%. That is this green line. This is the 21 DMA. If we talk about major, very major market support, that is the 21 DMA. But I mean, just for your information, even the 10 EMA for Nifty when markets are in an uptrend can be tracked as well. If we take Nifty to 3 sessions before, Nifty made an all-time high near your 20,000, and like it was nearly 19,970 mark. From there, it reversed, and it reversed on some high volumes. But even talking about yesterday's session, volumes was high considering the bi-weekly expiry of Tuesdays and Thursdays. So volumes were high. So going forward, till the point in time your 21 DMA gets held up by Nifty, and on a very good front, if you talk about it, even your 10 EMA gets held up. The and Yesterday's closing for Nifty was above this 10 EMA mark. So going forward, till the point in time, these two key moving averages are held. It becomes very good for Nifty. From the O'Neill front, if we talk about it, the distribution day count or the D-day count stands at 2, which is very comfortable. If your D-day count goes above 4, markets from a confirmed uptrend will go to uptrend under pressure. Till that point in time, your D-day count or your distribution day count is in control. The markets are expected to remain in confirmed uptrend, which is a good sign for Indian equities. Talking about key news, LT came up, that is Larsen and Toubro came up with a very fantastic set of numbers. The Q1 FY24 pattern revenue growth both beat estimates. It announced buyback of rupees 10,000 crores at rupees 3,000 per share and special dividend of 6 per share. Even Ceat numbers were very good, and your Q1 FY24 revenue grew by 4.1% YOY to 2,935 crores. PAT increased 144.6 crores from 9.3 crores in Q1 FY23. Margin expanded 7.3% YOY to 13.2%. Tata Motors, another big update. Your Q1 FY24 results beat estimates on all front. Margin expanded 860 bips YOY to 13%. The company will terminate its A shares, that is the DVR shares, and issue ordinary shares for them. And every 10 DVR shares will get 7 ordinary shares. And uh, this is expected to happen considering yesterday's market price at a premium of 20%. Delta Corp's Q1 FY24 revenue grew by 9% YOY to 272 crores. Profit was up 19% YOY to 68 crores, and margin expanded 1 bips to 35.1%. Talking about your key results for today, considering the result season is still on, is Bajaj Finance, Axis Bank, Tech Mahindra, Dr. Reddy, Shree Cement, Cipla, BPCL, Tata Consumer Products, TNB, Colgate Palmolive, and RAC, among others. Uh, Talking about the global market update, yesterday all the three US indices closed on a positive footing, as you can see. Dow Jones closed higher by 0.1%, S&P 500 by 0.3%, and your Nasdaq Composite by 0.6%. Asian markets kind of trading on a flattish to negative zone. Nikkei is kind of trading on a flattish note, around 0.1% lower. Kospi is in the deepest of losses at 0.6%, and Shanghai Composite is trading lower by 0.3%. So, what is the gift Nifty indicating? The gift Nifty is indicating a muted opening. So, around 10 minutes back, it was trading at around 19,714, and yesterday's close for Nifty is around 680 levels. So so we've reached the chart of the day, and the chart of the day for us is TVS Motors, and let's discuss its technicals. It's considering it's forming a consolidation base at the moment. Your RS line has started to move higher. If you talk about yesterday's movement, it was very good, and then the stock is just below pivot. A session before that, it had breached its 21 and 50 DMA on above average volume. But in yesterday's session, as you can see, it reclaimed both of its key moving average on above average volume, and even the volume was very high. So that is the key for TVS. From the ratings front, if you look at it, your EPS strength at 89 is very good. Price strength is fair, but the RS line has started to move higher, which is a good sign. Your buyer demand is also good. Even if you talk about the consolidation in the current base, prior to that, there is a good uptrend, and you always want that. And even from the last couple of bases as well, all the breakouts had a prior uptrend, so which is good. And if the stock is able to break out on above average volumes, then it can be a very good stock to watch out for. Even the off highs for the stock is just 0.34%. That is, it looks like once the pivot is crossed, the no major resistance is looking at this stock. It has been considering the high market cap as well. The stock has been a fund favorite. Quarter on quarter, 15.1% funds have increased, and even the last few quarter results, the last 4 to 5 quarter results for the stock have been very, very good. Even the ROE for FY23 for the stock is very good at 25%. So overall, the stock is in our buy watch list, and it looks very good at the moment. And what's probably left for the stock is just a breakout on above average volumes. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of pre-bell with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp. Thank you.